These dogs will hunt. The United States Marine Corps has begun testing robot dogs equipped with M72 infantry anti-armor rocket launchers in September, News.com has learned. According to website The War Zone, the dogs are replicas of a quadrupedal robot made by the Chinese and used by Russian forces, featuring submachine gun and rocket mounts on the robots. The robots, called Unitree Go-1, themselves are not specifically used for the military, and baseline models can be purchased on Amazon for between $2,000 and $5,000. The one tested is not the prototype that would be used by Marines in combat, however. According to Vice, companies such as Boston Dynamics and Ghost Robotics are working on producing military-specific versions of the robots. The relatively cheap robot was merely used for demonstration purposes. It's important to note that this is not a mil-spec platform, an unnamed Marine says in a video posted on the YouTube channel Military Video. This is not what we would issue to Marines, this is a test platform for ONR. The Marine Corps has not released information regarding the robots that they could actually use in combat. The video shows some of the capabilities of the robot, which can stand on 2 feet as well. The robot is equipped with sensors and activated via remote control, according to Marines and members of the U.S. Navy's Office of Naval Research, ONR. "That thing's creepy," one service member can be heard saying in the video during a demonstration session with the robot. In the video, the Marines refer to the robot as a goat, rather than the dog term that is usually applied to the gadget. It's unclear why the Marines decided to give it a different description. The video later shows a Marine equipping a rocket launcher on top of the robot before firing it off into the distance. The bigger one, they actually put a goat head mask on it, a handler of the robot says in the video. And it's able to growl, bark, and even throw sirens. "Well, I guess there's a psychological aspect to it," a Marine said. The main purpose in testing the robots is to allow military members to fire off rockets out of harm's way in remote locations. Instead of having a Marine handle the weapon system, manipulate the safeties, we could put a remote trigger mechanism on it that allowed it to all be done remotely, Marine Corps First LT. Aaron Safadi, the officer in charge of the Emerging Technology Integration section within Tech, said in a statement to the War Zone after the September test. The Marine could be behind cover and concealment, the weapon system could go forward, and the Marine could manipulate the safeties from a safe place while allowing that weapon system to get closer to its target.